Establishing a daily yoga routine can significantly enhance your overall health and well-being. Begin each day by setting aside a dedicated time for your practice. Early morning is ideal, as it prepares your body and mind for the day ahead. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Use a yoga mat or a soft surface to avoid discomfort during poses. Start with simple breathing exercises to center your mind and relax your body. Deep inhalations and exhalations help to oxygenate the blood, calm the nervous system, and reduce stress levels. Practicing pranayama, the yoga of breath control, can be immensely beneficial in enhancing lung capacity and improving focus.
Incorporate a gentle warm-up to prepare your muscles for the practice.
Gentle stretches like neck rolls, shoulder shrugs, and ankle rotations can help in loosening up the body. Sun salutations, Surya Namaskar, are an excellent way to warm up as they engage multiple muscle groups and elevate heart rate. Focus on a mix of standing and seated poses to engage different parts of the body. Standing poses like Warrior Tharayan 2 strengthen the legs and improve balance, while seated poses such as the forward bend, Paschimottanasana, and butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana, enhance flexibility and ease tension in the lower back and hips. Adjust each pose to your comfort level, using props like yoga blocks or straps if needed. Pay attention to alignment and posture during each pose. Proper alignment prevents injuries and maximizes the benefits of each pose. Engage your core muscles to support your spine and maintain a steady, comfortable breath throughout your practice. Use a mirror or seek guidance from a qualified instructor if you're uncertain about your form. Incorporate poses that promote relaxation and stress relief into your routine. Child's pose, Balasana, and corpse pose, Savasana, are excellent for winding down your practice. These poses help to release any residual tension from the body and induce a state of deep relaxation. Spend a few minutes in meditation after your yoga session to clear your mind and set positive intentions for the day. Consistency is key in reaping the benefits of yoga. Aim to practice daily, even if it's just for a short duration. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your flexibility, strength, and mental clarity. Remember that yoga is not just a physical practice, but also a journey towards achieving mental and emotional balance. Embrace the holistic benefits of yoga and make it an integral part of your daily routine.